I'm the new director of the Tom Farrell Institute for the Environment at the University of Newcastle, and we are trying to find regional solutions for a sustainable future for this place. And part of that, of course, is to look at climate and look at how climate has moved. All of us have some idea what we've been told by our parents and grandparents, and today we're going to learn what one grandfather has done for this young man and his lovely wife Elspeth, in terms of giving some incredible donation, some heritage, something to be left for future generations. It's now being left in University of New England, and we have, as in modern technology, a digital copy. So we are going to be able to use all of those sets of data that are there. From my childhood, I read Biggles, and I remember in Biggles there was an Algernon, and I don't think I've met an Algernon ever since. Meticulous man, and I'd urge you all to have a look at the computer there and just have a look at the quality of the handwriting, have a look at the detail of the observations that he made every day. I think he must have been an amazing person. As well, there's, as you can see, records, books kept and collected here for posterity, and we are very proud that these will be here for many years to come.
We're looking at the weather and climate affecting northern New South Wales. I do weather forecasting on ABC there, and there's a lot of interest within that community. There's a lot of question and answers every day, what's going on. We realized, we gathered information from the farming industry, what their needs were, what they were asking, why they were asking these questions, and what was happening for the future weather pattern. My research was understanding how the tropical expansion is affecting our region, because we are in mid-latitude. I was looking at latitudinal effect where the Armidale is, how the monsoonal activities bringing rain to that region, at what rate. And I said, I was using the current information now, but I wanted to go back for some historical data. If you don't know the past, how could you predict the future? That was my goal of the whole thing. When I met Richard, Elsie, we started talking about the issues, and he mentioned to me that they've got a report, and I was very impressed with those reports. So there'll be a lot of information coming to us. We're going to use it, but you will see how could we relate that data with the current information which we're having.
Currently, such data sets are being used in different parts of the world for different reasons. For example, in my latest issue of New Scientist, there was a short discussion about how the climatologists, climate scientists in England, I think at East Anglia, have recreated the weather conditions at Napoleon's surrender to the British on a ship in the English Channel from the ship's logs of weather during that particular period of time. So I'm very happy to see this. I think it's a terrific addition to the archives here. The Bureau is certainly going to welcome it in terms of the information that they can get out of it. I see something, a data set like this, as at least one and potentially two really good postgraduate projects associated with people who are interested in climate and history. So congratulations. Thank you, sir. I think we will have a very good time with this data set.